Welcome to our Cubit how-to video series. Cubit is the natural estimator solution for a wide range of construction professionals, from quantity surveyors and commercial builders through to residential builders and subcontractors. In this video, I'll show you the many ways in which Cubit can export your estimate data, from our professionally styled internal reports to exporting raw data to Microsoft Excel. Cubit can reproduce your data in a variety of styles and for a variety of needs. Let's begin with exporting a Cubit job. As you see here on our Job Manager screen, I have a job ready to go. Firstly, select the job you'd like to export. Come up to the Export button in the ribbon. Choose the option that you'd like to export with this job. For instance, would you like to include the plans alongside this data? Choose where you'd like to export the job to and click Export. Your job will then be listed in that location. By backing up your Cubit job in its entirety to an external location, the job can then be re-imported into other Cubit instances. It is also good to export your jobs to an external location for backup purposes. Let's export some of the work we have inside this job. Cubit has a number of options to choose from in the Data tab. Cubit has a number of different reporting options built into the system in the Reports group, from trade reports and calc and rate sheet reports through to our variations reports. These will be detailed in future how-to videos, but for now we're just going to look at a simple trade report. Cubit has the ability to export in a variety of different file types. Firstly, we'll look at PDF. You can choose to add metadata to your PDF, export to a familiar file location, and you can then view that file. You can also export directly to an XLS file or Microsoft Excel workbook. Once again, you can choose a variety of different values. Choose your file location to save the new file. Once it is in Microsoft Excel, you can reformat to suit your own purposes. There are a range of other standard file types that you can export to. And if you have an email client attached to your PC, you can directly email in a number of those file types. Back on the Data tab here, we can directly export to Excel by clicking Export All. We can export to a new workbook, and this function gives us three tabs: our trade breakup showing the markup, and our trade summary. Once again, this data is now external to Cubit and can be amended and rearranged to suit your purposes. Lastly, I'll show you how to export to Excel in your own template style. By clicking New Template, the Excel Exporter window will pop up. From here, you can choose any column within Cubit to export. Click and drag to rearrange the order in which your data will be exported, and then save that template for future use. You can then export that data directly to Excel and your columns will appear in the order that you dictated. This is handy for when you are trying to import your work to other third-party software such as financial or project management softwares. And because we have saved that template, in the drop-down menu, that template will now exist for all future jobs. That concludes our how-to video on how to export your work using Cubit. As mentioned earlier, there will be future how-to videos detailing the various types of reports, so keep an eye on our YouTube page for those updates. Remember, we're here to help. You can contact our support team or visit our knowledge base online for more information that will help you with using Cubit. Happy estimating!